Slow strip, and this guy came roaring out from under the bushes.
Coming up on the new Fly Fisher, we're in Chilean Patagonia, fishing specific fly styles for big rainbow and brown trout.
A rainbow.
Nice brown. Good fish. Look at the spot on its adipose fin. That's cool.
Big rivers can be really intimidating. You want to look for water along the bank that's slower.
Joining me on this South American adventure is good friend Tom Rosenbauer.
The fish could literally be almost anywhere.
We've left the nymphs and dry flies in our bags and are swinging for the fences with streamers and,
That is fantastic.
wait for it,
Mouse eater.
mice.
It's always an exciting eat when they take a mouse fly. It's just so visual and the fish get really excited about it.
We're here in Chile during North America's fall season, springtime in Chile. There's still snow in the mountains and the waters are running cold and clean. We'll be fishing streamers and mice from 2 of the 3 Magic Waters lodges, the River of Dreams Base Camp and Magic Waters Patagonia Lodge.
Slow strip, and this guy came roaring out from under the bushes. Nice. Excellent, excellent, excellent. What a great fish here on the Rio Blanco.